Hello my keto friends, I just made myself this beautiful hard shell ketogenic tacos and I thought I would share with you how to make them. So I'll just transfer them. They're chicken, so I will use this chicken for one more taco and we'll make video. Alright, what you need for the taco is parchment paper, because you're gonna stick it in microwave, and I use just cheese. You can use cheddar, jack, mozzarella, anything. Not a lot, just kind of nice shape, round. And it goes to microwave for 1 minute, and you have to check on it and see if it gets crispy or not. So I had a frozen chicken thigh in my slow cooker overnight, and it was warm and super easy to peel. Usually slow cookers keep your food in warm setting after it's finished. Here is the metal cookie sheet. I'm gonna use it to chill down your taco shell after it's cooked. And when it cools, it hardens. 5 seconds left. Then I'll check on it. Alright. Looks fine. Let's transfer that whole sheet and try to fold it. Alright. Let's flip it. I made third taco shell with the same piece of parchment paper, and if you don't have parchment paper, I can find it on Amazon and put a link into the description of this video. Alright, I think I can now take it off the paper. And let's fill it up. I think I can use fork. Little bit of chicken, you don't want to overdo it. Plus keto limits your chicken protein intake daily. You can only eat about 2 chicken thighs a day. Here is the hot salsa. I'm gonna add hot salsa and decorate it with cheese. And also super keto friendly food, sour cream. So I'll just add a little bit of sour cream. And this is your keto friendly hard tacos with chicken from the crock pot, which took literally 2 minutes to throw into crock pot and 1 minute per shell. And you have super easy and awesome snack.